Hi everyone, I'm Ed from Mr. C's Automart. This is a very special car. I'll try to do the best I can to describe it. It's got so much stuff, it's unbelievable. It is a super loaded 2021 Black Raven Cadillac Escalade Sport Platinum Edition 4-wheel drive. Now this has some key options that are very hard to find. It has Super Cruise, it has the ONYX package, and it has night vision. So these three things separate this from a lot of the other ones out there. It has 34,000 miles. We have it for $98,000. So if we cruise through this features, it has a 6.2 liter V8 420 horsepower engine, 10-speed automatic. Specifications are incredible. You pan around the car, you see it's got all sorts of front, rear, cross, path detections. It's got the Super Cruise option. Let's go through that. So that lets you drive hands-free on compatible highways, and you select a gap between the car in front of you, and it keeps you in your lanes using multiple sensors. It has the ONYX package that gives you the Cadillac Crest puddle lamps, gloss black Escalade nameplate. It gives you these 12-spoke 22-inch beautiful black alloy wheels. It has, you see the surround guidance. And as we pan through and around the car to the back, it's got a tow package. Sorry about that. There we go. Let's open the rear tailgate. The seats are beautiful. There's your Escalade nameplate. It has power folding seats, of course. And let's just pan to the front. And you see that it's got lots of room in all three rows. As we go through the middle buckets, you see it has the rear entertainment system, panoramic sunroof, beautiful leather seats. Here's your rear deck controls. Remember, it's got power seats on both sides. It's got lumber on both sides. Beautiful, real wood grain interior trim. Remember, the options that we're talking about that are really set this apart from everything. Most of the other ones that are out there are the Super Cruise, the night vision, and the ONYX package. The night vision enables or displays warmer objects like large animals, pedestrians, and lets you see them much better. We've got rear cross traffic alert, rear parking camera. I'm just going to shoot through some of these features. A 360-degree rear parking camera. Escalade lettering in back. And you see the beautiful display. 34,244 miles. As we go through the options here, here's your navigation. Here's your parallel parking assist. So you can get the rear camera. And let's see if we can go back to park. I'm so unused to a car like this, I don't even know how to use it. Here's your controls for the power sunshade. Again, we'd invite you to take a look. It's going to be listed for $97,998. It's still under factory warranty. The bumper-to-bumper warranty left is 25 months, 18,000 miles, and the powertrain 49 months, 38,000 miles. It's got two owners. Prior was a GM certified car. It was bought from a local Cadillac dealer here in Chicago. as a certified car. So if you're at all interested, call me at 708-473-2014 or visit the website, mrczautomart.com.